Here's just a little quick demonstration of the Grasshopper AC adapter prototype. Here's I don't know if you can see it. Here's a Grasshopper with the body expansion ring, and the dummy battery is already installed, and the wires coming out. This will have like a sheath covering it in production, so you won't see these wires hanging out, but this is the prototype. Here is the power converter that supplies 4.2 volts up to, I think, around like 12 amps or so, maybe a little more, but I'm not sure. We tested it at 10 amps for about a half an hour, and it works fine, and it does, you know, bursts up to 12 or whatever. It's more than enough to you know, satisfy the power requirements of the Grasshopper. Anyways, in production, these wires will also be a little bit longer. I think like a foot long. I'm not sure yet, so we'll experiment with that a little bit. But anyway, I'm gonna set this to about 3.5. This is not my back end that I normally use, so I'm not sure what's gonna happen. So just gonna plug the wires into the little power converter, and then this is coming from the wall. So I'm just gonna stick it in the rig there and test it out. Works pretty good. And since this power supply is always delivering 4.2 volts, the Grasshopper is gonna behave like it always has a fully charged battery, so you're gonna get the best hits that you get out of it. Let me do one more and then I'll end this video.